You ready for a super simple project? We're going to redo this Dollar General clearance item. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I got this at Dollar General. It says $5. It was 90% off. All right, so, and the little eggs, they just pull out easy peasy. And I thought, we could redo this so we could have it out all year. Yeah, we can, I think. I mean, I'm sure somebody would keep that out all year, but I will not. So I want it to match my decor. So I have some chalk paint and I'm going to paint each of the eggs. Now, I painted it with a brush and then I took my dauber and I dabbed it because it gave a nice little texture and it removed those brush strokes. And here is the same song, second verse. We're going to do the yellow one as well. I did all of them, obviously. Brush it on and then use my dauber. And it gave a nice egg kind of texture too. So that was super cool. And dab, dab, dab. I got the dabbers at Dollar Tree. I almost at the dabbers. Whatever. So here's where it all went downhill. I was trying to spray it with some distressing spray to make it look speckled. And the thing was all gloppy and it went crazy. So my daughter's like, well, just take a sponge and sponge it. Wrong. Wrong. Yeah, it went from bad to worse. So then I thought, all right, let's just lean heavy and just wipe it. Because you know what? They're all different color eggs. This could just be a brown egg, right? It's fine. So I'm still trying to make it better. So I take a brush and I dip it in wax and look at what it does. It dripped all over. This was the project that just didn't go right for me. So sponge out again. We're going to sponge it off. Perfect. It's fine. Then I decided to take a dry brush and dip it in the wax and dab it on the egg. And that worked. So I'm not mad because, there are brown eggs. It's fine. It looks very country, looks very distressed, and I'm there for it. So I wanted to make them all match. So I just, again, this is a Dollar Tree brush, and I'm just dabbing it just to make it look really speckled and vintage. Not vintage. Eggs aren't vintage, but you know what I mean. All right, so then we have this little nest left. And the florals were really pretty, but then I thought, you know what? I want it, again, to match my decor. You could leave yours in, but I wanted, again, for it to match. So I had these pretty roses that had like a distressed vibe to them. And I also, at Dollar General, found this. They're really soft. I'm not sure what they're called, but it was a pick in the floral section. And so I just popped them all off of the main stem and just put them, and I didn't even glue it. I just put them all the way around the nest. And then we're going to put our cute little eggs back in. And again, because they're on that pick, you don't necessarily have to do any gluing or anything like that. You could glue it, but I didn't. And now we're going to glue all of our flowers. And I just am doing 3 little roses. Easy peasy, keep it simple, and stop. I mean, this was if I didn't have all the mess ups with the eggs, this would have been 10 minutes and done. But look at how pretty. I love how it came out. I love it. And maybe I'll add some birdhouses to my little decor piece and make a little scene. That would be fun, right? Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you. Okay. Now it's your turn. Go make something pretty.